Now to the COVID-19 pandemic and signs of progress in Canada's fight against the virus. According to the Federal Public Health Agency, in the last 2 weeks, the number of active cases across the country has dropped by 30%. And over the last 7 days, the average number of people in hospital with COVID-19 has dropped by more than 10%. At the same time, more cases of the highly contagious new variants are emerging. To date, at least 255 cases have been confirmed. And as Abigail Bimman reports, the slow vaccine rollout isn't helping.
When their grandparents are going to be safe, when the vaccines are going to come.
The Prime Minister acknowledges everyone's sick of the pandemic, but he wouldn't answer what Canada's recourse is if companies don't deliver vaccines on time.
I speak almost every week with the CEOs of these vaccine companies, and they have assured me that they will meet their obligations, their contractual obligations, to deliver 6 million doses to Canadians by the end of March.
Deliveries.
A little more information from the Procurement Minister.
The recourse, of course, is breach of contract.
But she wouldn't say any more about confidential vaccine deals other than all of them are based on quarterly deliveries. Friday's questions about when vaccinations may end lockdowns or restrictions were left unanswered too.
I'm reluctant to predict what a normal life or when that might happen is all about at this point.
The country's top doctor says she's monitoring data to find out, including from other countries.
Right now, it's a matter of just watch this space.
Ottawa is also working on more travel restrictions.
We're working hard to stand up additional testing requirements for land travel.
But no one would say when the previously announced new rules, mandatory hotel quarantines for international travelers arriving in Canada by air, come into force.
We'll be releasing the details of those new measures very shortly.
5 days, 10 days.
Very shortly.
The health minister says the National Advisory Committee on Immunization will release updated prioritization guidelines this month for the next phases of the vaccine rollout, when many more people are expected to get a shot in the spring and summer. Patty Haidu says in the meantime, she expects Health Canada will approve more vaccines, but no word on exactly when. Abigail Bimman, Global News, Ottawa.